Hello, I'm Susan M.A., co-founder of DreamFace Interactive. In this presentation, I'll introduce DreamFace to you, and I'll tell you what it does and what it is. DreamFace includes all the elements you need to create the next generation of Web 2.0 applications. There's a lot to talk about, so let's get started. Increased internet usage has caused the creation and emergence of new domains in which Web 2.0 applications are implied. The first area is digital content, where organizations have created and implemented their content management system, including the creation, manipulation, duplication, and access of text, photos, graphics, videos, maps, music, data, search, and now widgets. The second new domain is related to social applications, with their creation of communities where people can exchange and share information and documents. Social applications introduced the notion of do-it-yourself, where people can create new content in a collaborative manner. The third domain appeared when private and personal usage of Web 2.0 reached the enterprise. Enterprise 2.0 is the natural evolution of service-oriented architectures in which organizations have already invested millions. To build on this architecture, a new kind of application called mashups has appeared in the enterprise, bringing Web 2.0 concepts into the enterprise, including social networking features to improve collaboration between employees. Today's software can be provided as a service by deploying applications directly in the cloud and must be accessible from multiple devices, such as a browser, a mobile phone, or a television. Web 2.0 applications can potentially have the need to play in each of these domains. Our mission is to provide an enabling technology for these modern usages, bringing benefits such as time to market, an efficient and dynamic way to monetize your application, a competitive advantage by innovating, and an extensible and sustainable development. A broad range of applications can therefore be created, such as social websites, enterprise mashups, interactive dashboards, enterprise applications, enterprise portals, as well as mobile applications. With DreamFace, one platform can be used to create many applications. Building Web 2.0 applications is challenging and requires us to solve many problems. The complexity resides in handling many different languages like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Ajax, Java, or PHP, and it's difficult to find people with the required technical skills. As a framework, DreamFace lowers the learning curve and helps development teams to jumpstart their applications with pre-built components. It is also difficult for IT managers to ensure consistency in development using emerging and new technologies. DreamFace provides a disciplined approach to building applications that helps development to be more consistent and where knowledge can be easily shared across development teams. It's important to deliver applications with sophisticated features that give users a lot of possibilities. DreamFace provides widget-based applications that leverage rich internet application technologies to build highly interactive applications. DreamFace is a framework that allows the open source model to help organizations reach their time-to-market objectives in respect to their lower budgets. DreamFace-based applications are designed for change, which gives a higher degree of flexibility. Total cost of ownership of an application is mainly due to the difficulty and the high cost of maintenance. By providing an ease of application maintenance, DreamFace helps organizations to quickly find a return on their investment. Let's start with a quick definition of what DreamFace is. DreamFace is an open source framework for building the user interface of enterprise or Web 2.0 applications. In the figure below, you have an example of a classical SOA application divided into different layers. You have the data layer, which allows access to database and legacy applications, the transaction layer, where you'll find business rules and services, the process layer, which allows you to orchestrate services, the presentation layer, used to present the information in the right format required by the device and the platform layer. All of this is surrounded by the enterprise service bus, which enables the interoperability between layers and the identity management system that ensures security when accessing the information. DreamFace handles the presentation layer, introducing new notions like widgets, rules, and data sources. It consumes information coming from the underlying layers it renders information to the device and platform layer, and it reinforces access control to the information. DreamFace follows the standard MVC model. So how does it work? DreamFace helps you to quickly build widget-based applications. Process and transaction layers will provide information such as web services, results, content, or enterprise data. This information will be consumed by DreamFace data sources and passed to a widget in XML format, which is the native format that a widget can consume. Widgets are aggregated into a screen that will be rendered to a device. In order to do transactional-based applications, screens can be orchestrated in a rule-based flow that will ensure a synchronization of the transaction with the underlying layers. The DreamFace component execution is done while maintaining the user context across the application. So what is a DreamFace widget? A DreamFace widget has properties such as a display template, personalization information, as well as events and actions. DreamFace widgets are agnostic so that they can display any representation of data such as a form, a table, a chart, or a video using any technology such as Ajax or Flex. They are flexible and give a high level of reusability. They can personalize the way information is displayed according to the user preferences and are interactive. DreamFace widgets can communicate with each other. So how does DreamFace handle interactions? Widgets can communicate with each other through interactions. For example, when the user clicks on an item of a list of articles coming from an RSS feed, for example, an interaction is triggered that calls an action on another widget, such as a web viewer. Information is passed from the event to the action in order to refresh the display and display the target widget accordingly. This is a simple example, but the same mechanism can be applied to more complex interactions, such as master detail widgets and so on, allowing us to build sophisticated applications. Syndicate your applications with DreamFace. Another innovative feature provided by DreamFace is the possibility to syndicate your information directly through widgets. For instance, you can access a widget from an external platform, such as Facebook, without any coding necessary. Furthermore, the entire screen composed of one or more widgets and their interactions can be executed from an external platform. Your application can become social without any modification and without having to develop any additional functionality. In conclusion, here is a technical architecture of DreamFace. It is standard, rich, open, reliable, and secure. Thank you for watching this video about DreamFace. If you would like to see DreamFace in action, in a product demo, please visit www.dreamface.org or become a member of our community and try it yourself by downloading a free unlimited version of DreamFace.